In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Notion if it's not loading in just 5 minutes. Now, encountering issues with Notion loading can be quite frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of important work. Fortunately, there are a few steps you can take to resolve this problem quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. Once your browser is open, you'll notice 3 dots located in the upper right corner of the window. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to all sorts of browser settings, which can be very helpful when troubleshooting issues like this. Next, head over to the section labeled Settings in the drop-down. Once in the settings, look for the area dubbed Privacy and Security. Here, you'll find various options related to your browser's interaction with the web. Now, within the Privacy and Security settings, you should see an option to delete browsing data. Clicking this option is essential because it helps clear out cached files and cookies that might be causing Notion to have trouble loading. When prompted, make sure you select All Time from the options available for how much data to delete. This ensures that anything potentially blocking Notion from loading gets cleared away. Once you've selected All Time, proceed to click on Delete Data. This might take a few moments, depending on how much data you're clearing, so be patient. After clearing your browsing data, try using a different web browser to assess whether the issue is specific to the browser you initially used. Sometimes, certain browsers might have compatibility issues or temporary bugs that switching to another browser can resolve. Additionally, let's make sure you have a stable internet connection. An unstable connection can often be the root cause of loading problems. Take a moment to check your internet settings or reset your router if necessary. With this verified, Notion should load more smoothly. If you're still experiencing issues, consider temporarily disabling any VPNs, firewalls, or security software you might be using. These tools, while important for security, sometimes mistakenly block applications and websites like Notion. By disabling them temporarily, you can determine if they're the cause. Finally, if you are using the Notion app on a device, try uninstalling and then reinstalling it. This fresh installation can often bypass glitches or corrupted files causing issues within the app. And that's it. With these simple steps, you should be able to solve most loading issues with Notion. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you can now enjoy a seamless experience working with Notion. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.